Hi there, do you give presentations or seminars? Or have you gone to any presentations or seminars lately? Why are there so many terrible presenters and seminar leaders? Well, I can tell you why. Because most presenters, most speakers have learned platform skills, and they are maybe adept at knowing where to stand, vocal intonation, eye contact, but there is so much more that has to be understood. And what zero presenters teach themselves is how to tap the brain's potential. How to make sure the brains in your audiences are turned on at full throttle so that they are learning and absorbing your material very quickly, and they are going to recall it, remember it for a very long time. How does that work? Well, that's something that I teach. My name is Lizabeth Phelps, the brain sticky communications expert, and for the last 3 years I have been teaching a 2-day training in New Jersey, and the next one's coming up in June. Let me just tell you a little bit about what is missing from your presentations. The brain has got to learn in a very particular sequence. Things have to be brought to the brain first in order to capture its attention. And then it's almost like wading into the water. It needs to be gently coaxed into curiosity about the subject that's coming. And then comes the material that you're used to giving. There is absolutely a critical sequence. It's a 7-stage sequence to delivering your material. And let me tell you, nobody does this right. This is what virtually everybody does. They start at stage 3. Remember I said there's 7 stages? They start at stage 3. And that is why everybody falls asleep. Falls asleep in classrooms, falls asleep in boardrooms, falls asleep in presentations and seminars. Is because everybody, and I mean everybody, is starting at stage 3. Then what happens is everybody probably does stage 6. But nobody does 4, 5, or 7. And these are the critical pieces that lock in the information, take it from working memory down and press it down into long-term memory. Again, nobody uses these sequences. Nobody. And that is what has every presentation, virtually every presentation, slide very rapidly into mediocrity. My mission is to stamp out presentation mediocrity from the face of the earth. And again, I do that at this 2-day training in New Jersey in June. I want you there. If you have a message to give, if you have a big vision for your business, you actually have no excuse not to at least go and familiarize yourself with what this training is and how unique and special it is. Nobody is teaching you how to teach from the platform, and you must know how to teach if you are going to have any effectiveness with audiences. Maybe effectiveness isn't your goal. Maybe all you want is to look good in front of an audience. Well, if that's the case, we're not a good fit. But if you want to be extraordinary with audiences and you want to be effective with them so that they want more, tell others about you, and come back for more, then check out this website at the bottom of the screen. Go there right now, read all about the 2-day event, and I really hope I'll see you there.